Hello guys, welcome back of another tutorial. This tutorial will be light switch. So let's get on. Here I am with my stuff, and I have finished my stuff. Oh, I didn't finish it yet. Let me just add some stuff here. Yeah. This will be the lamp, light switch, and when you press this button, it will, of course, turn off. And when you tap that button on the top, it will light up. So let's get started on the tutorial. What you will need is block of your choice, sand clay, red sand clay, yellow sand clay, redstone torch, button, and redstone lamp. Now, what you will need to do is place down redstone and yellow, and put down the buttons, and second, put down that. When you did that, it will look like this. So next, you have to count 1, 2, 3. So you have to go place that there. Place down a torch right here. A torch right here. Redstone dust, redstone dust, redstone dust, and redstone dust. And in here, you have to put redstone dust, and redstone dust there. And when you finish that, get your redstone lamp and crouch and tap that button right there, and it will give you that. Next, cover it up with your block of your choice. And you can decorate it whenever you want. So I will show you right now. When I press that, the lights go. Wait. Oh, there's something missing. Right. That's on top right here. So when you press this button, it will light up. When you press that button, it will, of course, turn off. So that will be the tutorial for today. I am SJK Charles Kane M31, and I'll see you soon. Bye.